Hello my dear creative friend, and welcome to my new video on YouTube where I will demonstrate the process of creating this sketch. I will also tell you which markers I used, what paper I drew on, how much time I spent on this sketch, who the client was, and whether there were any 3D elements. So if you're interested, stay with me. The paper I used is called Economy Marker Pad. I bought it when I was living in Copenhagen. This is A3 size, and I will remind you that marker paper only has one side suitable for drawing with markers on it. On the correct side of the paper, the marker immediately absorbs into the paper. On the wrong side, if you overlay the marker, it smudges, so be sure to check. I started with such a small sketch, literally 10 centimeters wide. It's really tiny. And when the client approved everything, I started transferring it all to a large sheet of paper. It was convenient here because there were already 3D models for this project. And when I met with the client, I told them which angle I wanted to see for this sketch, and they made a 3D model for me. So it was quite simple in terms of perspective here. The client was from New Zealand, and as you understand, it is a restaurant. But it's not just a restaurant, a whole cluster of restaurants in one place. Here we call it an eatery hub, meaning a dining place with many different spots, various cuisines, Asian, European, pasta, pizza, everything you can think of. You can try sushi, and all of this is kind of concentrated in one place. The client discovered me on Instagram as a result of my paid advertisements in New Zealand and Australia. This is how he came across my profile and reached out to me by sending an email. When I told him the price of my sketches, he vanished for an entire month, but eventually returned to me. The price for this sketch was 600 New Zealand dollars. It took me precisely 90 minutes to create this A3 sketch. However, in general, this order took significantly more time because you have to take into account communication with clients, discussions, a small preliminary sketch, followed by colored versions for which I invited my student to assist me. She had participated in my courses, as at that time I was working on a new course in English and had very little time, so my student provided a great deal of help in this regard. About markers, I think you also saw from the video that I used Chartpak Touch Copic Chow markers here, as well as Tombow markers. Here it is right now on the screen in the video, a brush marker. I really liked it, so thin and very long. In terms of the color palette, literally 6-7 different colors were used here. I really love this minimalist approach. If you're interested in working with clients, check out my blog for useful posts on this topic, like how to work with clients and find customers. And finally, I want to give you another gift. It's my free course on perspective, so watch out. The link is in the video description. And I will be very happy to teach you sketching as well. Looking forward to having you among my students. You can find all detailed information, program reviews from my students, and works of my students on the website. And I hope to see you soon as my student. Goodbye.